Dear parents, welcome. We are happy to introduce you to our school official mobile app MYSLED, a powerful tool to keep you informed, connected, and involved in your child academic journey. Let's walk you through the features step by step. Once you log in, you will land on the profile page. Here you will find the three lines in the left side, and you will see the direct menu of date of birth certificate, Aadhaar, caste certificate, about, and also you can log out. Here you will get the details of IMEI card and how much battery left in the device which worn by student. And here you will get the direct notification from the school. And the child profile, student profile, this contains the key details like name, class, section, roll number, admission number, and more. It serves as your child digital identity within the school system. Now click on the notification tab to stay updated. You will receive alert about attendance, homework, holidays, exam schedules, events, and other important announcements, all delivered instantly to your phone. The attendance section gives you a day-by-day and monthly overview of your child presence in your school, or any absence or late entry is recorded here, helping to track punctuality and ensure accountability. And most important, one of the most powerful feature is the student tracking. This uses smart ID card to show your child real-time location while on the campus or during transit. You can see whether your child is in a classroom, at the playground, or on the school bus. It ensures safety, peace of mind, and transparency at every moment. Here you can see the bus tracking and which route the bus is taken, and you can track directly from the live location. Reports. Want to check academic performance? The report section provides you the detailed mark sheet, subject-wise result, teacher comments, and progress report. It helps you to monitor child growth academically across all terms. Next is sports and cultural. Explore your child participation in extracurricular activities in the sports section. Whether they are a part of the sports team, music club, or a stage performance, this is where all the achievements outside the classrooms are celebrated. And the app also simplifies fee payment. Here you can view the due amounts, pay securely online, download the receipts, and track payment history. No more standing in the long queues, just quick and easy digital transactions. And finally, the institution details. This section gives you the important school information, contact number, staff directory, school timings, and even a direct line to the contact support team. This app is designed to keep you informed and involved in your child's school life. From safety to studies, from feast to festival, if you need any help getting started, our team always ready to assist you. Let's work together to create the best environment for your child growth and success.